Hello Team Glow. Mko bado niko kwa kiwanja natafuta kura Kisii bado 045 #Ebarimo Women Rep Kisii County. Just to address a few issues. Nimeona kuna video imezungushwa ati Orwoba bado anatetea Ruto. Never ever ever. Hizo ni vituko za watu ambao wanajaribu kunitoa kwa Matiang'i kwa sababu wanajua mimi naambia Matiang'i ukweli. Kwa hiyo kikundi yote ya wale wanasiasa wako na Matiang'i, mimi peke yangu ndio namwambia ukweli. Wengine heri wanyamaze, aende afanye vitu zingine zenye anafanya, saa zingine inatuchomea hapa na pale, but kwa sababu wanashikilia koti yao ya Matiang'i, wanataka our endorse, they will not tell him the truth. The truth of the matter is we need to stand with the united opposition. We need to stay united. And we need to work with our brothers and sisters from the united opposition. And anyone who's pushing any other agenda, including those advisors who are coming from the US. Ati kuna advisor ametoka US, hajaifanya hata campaign ya MCA. Hajawahi atakuwa communications director wa member of parliament. Sasa yeye ndo ako mbele kabisa kipawa. Wametuma Mabloggers were revive a very old video of 3 years ago where you see me, you see Kibagendi, and actually the argument had nothing to do with my removal of Matiang'i. The argument was about certain people who had been removed. Abagusi walikuwa wametolewa kazini. Anyway, that's in the past. Wanasema ile mti enye haina matunda ndio haipigwi sana. Enye kuna matunda nyingi ndio inapigwa sana. I'm giving this warning to these people who are behind this. I'm running out of patience. If I start talking, you will scatter. Wachaneni na mimi kabisa. I'm behind Matiang'i. I will continue telling him the truth. I will continue pushing his agenda everywhere until otherwise. And otherwise is mtu yote anajaribu kuturudisha kwa Ruto, hapo ndio tutatoka. But for now, please, that is propaganda. Ignore that video. Ignore those bloggers who are paid, who are being sent by advisors from USA who have never run any campaign. They've never even run an MCA campaign, but now they are advising in a presidential campaign. I want to tell them this. Sit down. Sit down. Tukiendelea kucheza, Sifuna kwa hapo kando. Sifuna kwa hapo kando. Ako hapo kando anangangana. Let me tell you this thing, it is the united opposition, but we must gather them all. So let us stay focused. As Matiang'i followers, let us stay focused. By the way, I am the one who has taken the biggest sacrifice in that team. No other person is as loyal as I have been. If they are loyal, can they today resign from their jobs or just stand up and say, this is where I am, and challenge Kasongo? They can't. Every time Kasongo comes out with a file, they go back. Members of parliament, senators. So I've taken the ultimate sacrifice, and I cannot watch the ship going down because of advisors, fake advisors from the US who have no jobs. People who, if you follow their history in the US, scandals after scandals after scandals, including killing of their partners. So nimesema mwachane na mimi, kila mtu atafute kura yake na support Matiang'i venye anaweza. And when I tell you wachana na mimi, this is the last time I am telling you advisors from the US who have never advised in any. Achana na mimi kabisa. Nikianza kuongea maneno yako, we know very well you were with Ruto. You were with Ruto right before you joined Matiang'i. We have photos. The biggest mole is the advisor from the US. You are with Ruto. And we know you. And we know every evening you are drinking with the State House boys. We know every evening you are in Karen with the State House boys. And then coming back to Matiang'i to advise. Nimekwambia, this is the last warning. If I'm going to start talking and everybody knows I talk, iyo Kisii ni wakisii watakuchoma. Wacha kabisa kuharibu maneno ya Matiang'i. Some of us have paid the biggest price. We will not watch you as you bring this ship down. In the meantime, wacha wakisii wajue that the most preferred candidate for presidential as it stands is still Dr. Fred Matiang'i. Ignore the fake advisors from the US who have never advised anyone. Ignore them. Those are people who are in bed with Ruto. And we all know the photos are out there. and they are the ones trying to push Matiang'i to go to Ruto. So sisi bado tuko loyal to the core, to the community. Mambo bado ni one term, na mwache kusikiza propaganda. There's a lot of AI. Forget it. If you don't get anything from my channels or from my social media platforms, it is fake. Otherwise, last warning to you fake advisors. Nitakuja niwaanike hapa kama nguo. Na nitawapanga kabisa na mapeg na maskandal zenu za USA. Together with all those people you have murdered so that you can inherit their properties. And all the meetings you are having with William Ruto in private. I will hang you. So kila mtu afagie kwake.